You want to see cost effective? I'm going to show you cost effective. I forgot I had this video. It's on my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. But let me show you. This was from a few years ago. I love this all-purpose plant-based concentrated cleaner. I use it to clean everything. Windows, glass, marble, tile, floors, leather, formica, wood, you name it. But guess what? It also removes stains. It also removes wrinkles out of my clothes. And it smells like a Christmas spa. I mean, look at it. I had a greasy pizza stain on my shirt. I poured a little bit of the concentrate on it and I rinsed it underwater. And guess what? The stain was gone. And now I put the shirt in the washing machine. I washed it. And don't come at me about that sink. This was a few years ago. So what? It was a little dirty. I'm a human. But you need to get this. I'm a distributor. I'll put my link down below. Check it out.